Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And before we get started, guys, if you're looking to get the first exclusive look of what we've got to offer over here at No Reserve Classics, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. And here we have it, a fully frame-off restored 1967 Chevrolet Corvette LS2 Pro Touring Convertible Restomod. Featuring in multiple magazines and even handpicked by Chip Foose himself as a Choice Award-winning, this Corvette is one not to miss out on. Fully restored from the bottom up by Corvette specialist J&M Enterprises, this Corvette was painted in a blue metallic paint with painted white stripes laid deep underneath the clear on that 427 cowl hood. All of the chrome on the exterior is in great condition, along with all of the awesome chrome side pipe exhausts. The 17-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 polished wheels are fully custom built and are wrapped in custom-made red stripe tires. The interior has been fully restored and reupholstered with a few goodies like the tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and a custom amplified Alpine stereo system. But what makes this King Ray a true pro tourer is that LS2 engine nestled underneath the hood. With vintage air conditioning, Detroit speed power rack and pinion steering, and power brakes. It lies on top of a full custom rolling chassis from Street Shop Inc. with full Alden adjustable coilovers, both front and back, C4 independent suspension. This is one pro touring Corvette that's ready for whatever the road throws at it. And for your added convenience, we broke this video up into a few different sections. So if you wanted to, you could fast forward to your favorite part. Now, I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us directly at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to take all of our rides for a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior of all of our rides. And after you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner so you can get an interior virtual 360-degree tour as well. And we here at No Reserve Classics know about all of our rides because we own all of our rides. And with that being said, this vehicle is not a consignment vehicle and is owned by No Reserve Classics. So if you're interested on how to get this Corvette into your garage, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. Thank you for taking this ride with us. We really hope you can picture yourself driving this 1967 Chevrolet Corvette LS2 Pro Touring Convertible Restomod. On the exterior, this Corvette has been painted in a Marina Blue paint with white painted stripes along the 427 cowl hood, with an added bit of paint correction film along the lower front end. Pulling the headlight switch, you'll notice both headlight doors are fully electronic and have Restomod LED split headlight design for great nighttime visibility. Shining around this Corvette are the beautiful chrome components, from the trim to the front bumper and rear bumpers and even the side piped exhaust. Which leads us down to the American Racing Torque Thrust 2 custom-made polished wheels that are 17x8 all the way around and are wrapped with red striped radial tires with a 245/45/17 grabbing the road at all four corners. If you catch a glimpse behind those custom wheels, you'll see gloss black coated calipers with a C4 Corvette factory front caliper and a C5 Corvette calipers in the rear. All four corners have enormous drilled and slotted 13-inch rotors at all four, stopping this Corvette almost as quickly as it accelerates. And if you're lucky enough, the last thing you'll see are those awesome bright LED clear taillights. Now, also included with this sale is a full custom exterior car cover. Nestled under the hood is a GM Performance 6-liter LS2 crate engine mated to a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. This LS motor has GM Performance aluminum serpentine kit, which allows the amenities such as vintage air conditioning and heating, Detroit speed, power rack and pinion steering, power brakes, and billet pulleys throughout. Keeping this engine cool is a DeWitt's oversized aluminum radiator with a Spal 16-inch electric fan and a custom polished dual air intake. This engine bay is one that'll make you believe that this 1967 Corvette came out of the factory just like this. Stepping on the interior, you are embraced with a newly restored black vinyl interior with chrome accents. The front seats are bucket seating with lap belts on both sides. The dash has been color painted to match the exterior. And as we grasp the 3-spoke steering wheel with a fully adjustable Flaming River steering column, you will notice a stick on the left-hand side. That is cruise control. Yes, this 1967 Corvette has cruise control. Beyond that wheel, you'll also notice the newly installed white gauges with a bright backlit display that matches the working clock in the center console. Also in the center console is your vintage air conditioning and heating controls that look just like factory. A retro sound radio will play your favorite tunes with the convenience of an auxiliary jack coming out of Kenwood speakers, not only in the kick panels, but hidden behind you are a matching set of Kenwood speakers, a 6-disc CD changer, and an Alpine amplifier. When the weather gets too cold or too hot, simply press your power windows to roll them up and close your newly installed Hertz cloth soft top and enjoy. Also included for sale are the interior C2 custom black seat covers and a custom C2 dash cover. Last but not least, the reason this Corvette has such a great stance and is ready for the road and track is because of the chassis. Starting with a solid and stout body, fully restored underbody, a Street Shop Inc. custom Pro Touring mandrel bin chassis was installed. It was coated in a semi-gloss black powder coat and fully welded. Street Shop Inc.'s modern Corvette front suspension was installed, along with Alden American dual adjustable coilovers to give you a great adjustability and function. Helping you take corners like a pro is Detroit Speed's power rack and pinion steering, along with new bushings from front to back, front and rear sway bars, and many stainless steel lines and billet accessories. Matching the modern suspension setup, a Street Shop Inc.'s C4 based 5-link independent rear suspension setup has also been installed and paired with rear Alden American coilovers to help you with a wide variety of suspension control at all four corners. And before those tires tear up the pavement, they will go through a hammerhead 12-bolt based aluminum differential that'll allow you to unleash all this power this Corvette's got to go. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800 562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you never know. Your dream ride could be in the next video.